Hey G Squad, welcome back to an episode of Is It Worth It? So today's episode we got this cool underline here, and basically what this is a Blackpink official LightStick. And we see we do have Blackpink name on here, and they also mention how it is the official LightStick version 2, which is limited edition. So this is what the package looks like when you guys first get it. Let me actually open up to show you guys what the inside looks like. Alright, so once you guys open up, this is what the inside looks like. So pretty much the first thing inside you can see the product. And right near the product, and see we do have the user manual to teach you guys how to set it up and how to use it. And they provide got the wrist strap option. If you see the wrist strap option, they do have the Blackpink name, and that is basically everything that's included in the package. Now let's take it out to show you guys what the product looks like and how to use it. Once you guys do slide it out, this is what the product looks like. So really cool how it does give you guys a handle to actually carry the product. And for the bottom part, they do have like the non-slip material. On the side of the product, we do have the Blackpink name. Right here, we do have a heart design. And I love the fact that how it does have adjustable head. So that way you do have the option to adjust it. And once you guys are ready to use it, you guys want to take it out. And once you guys do take it out, this is what the product looks like. So right here we do have the Blackpink name. Right here we do have a button for you to push. Top part right here we do have a button for you to turn it on and turn it off for different settings. So if you guys push it up this way, that means sounds on. If you guys push it down, that sounds off. And when you guys feel both sides, it feels like a silicone material or something. But they do have the Blackpink name on here as well. And for the bottom part right here is where you're going to put in the lanyard wrist strap option. And also right here is where it's going to open up. And this is where to put the battery inside. So it looks like it does require 3 AAA batteries for you guys to use it. But that is basically everything that's on the product. Let me actually go get some battery to put it inside, so it's not included. Alright, so right here we do the battery. If you guys put it inside. Alright, so once you guys got the battery inside, you guys can put it back inside right here. And if you guys close it back up. If you guys turn it on. And see how it does turn on. If you guys press it again, it basically changes the different patterns that's on here. If you guys press it one more time, that's basically another option available. And if you guys press it one more time, it turns off. And supposedly for the product, it has a built-in microphone. So when you do play songs on here, it will follow the beat of music. So that is basically the 3 different options available when you guys do use it. But in order for you to use it correctly, you do need to download the app. So I'm actually download the app first. So basically the app is in the back of the packaging. They do have a QR code for you guys to scan. So right here is basically what the app looks like. So you do want to download it first. Once you guys finish downloading the app, this is what the app looks like. So you basically want to connect it, but you do want to turn it on first. And now you guys press it. It tells you guys to double click it. And that basically enters the Bluetooth mode option. So now you guys ready to connect. So right now it's basically updating the firmware that's on here. Alright, so we got connected again, and now it's doing another update. So I'm gonna let it finish doing the update first. So for those guys who are curious about how to actually use the product, they do provide guys all the information right here in the instruction manual. So there's a lot of different modes available when you guys do use it, and there's different patterns as well, which you guys can basic control on the app. And we'll show you guys what it actually looks like once the update is done. Alright, so we got it connected. So it looks like we can't use any on here yet because it's still working. So I guess later on when they do finish setting up, they can start using it. But on the app, you do have the option to increase or lower the brightness. So let's bring it down. This actually looks like when it's off. And now we do have it on. So you can see the product is actually pretty bright when you guys do use it. Especially if you guys use it in a dark setting. So just to show you guys what the product looks like in a dark setting, this is what it actually looks like. So if you guys imagine how the product would look like in a really dark setting, like when you guys do use it in concert, it would definitely look much cooler, especially when it's following the beat of the song and etc. If you guys want to disconnect it, you guys can press the button. And that basically turns it off. And if you guys want to control it manually on here, like I mentioned, there's different modes. So that's 1, 2, and 3. And if you guys peel up this part right here, if you see on the side right here, they do have a micro USB slot for you to plug in a cable to recharge or something if you guys want to. Alright, so if you guys do test it out, these are basically some of the options available when you guys do use it. So I'll try using the song Shutdown to show you guys what it looks like. And I probably have to mute the music because of copyright issues. Alright, so that's a quick little test to show you guys that the product definitely does work when you guys do use it. So you can totally imagine how cool the product is when you guys do use it at the concert. But that is basically everything that's on the product. Now to go unboxing and test the product. Now to answer the question of whether or not it's worth or not. So for this product, I do have to say that it's pretty worth it if you guys want to need one of these. Especially if you guys in the market looking for the high quality LightStick for the Blackpink concert, which is a limited edition option, then I do have to say that it's pretty worth it. But then obviously for those of you guys who don't want or don't need one or have one of these, obviously don't buy one and save the money on something else you actually do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.